Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to speed up a video in CapCut PC. So let's get started. First, open your project in CapCut with the video you want to speed up. Now, if you want to speed up the entire video, that's easy. But if you only want to speed up a specific part, follow these steps. On the timeline, select the portion of the video you want to speed up. Decide where the speed increase should begin, then click Split at the top left above the timeline. Next, select where you want the speed change to end and hit Split again. Once you've got your section, head to the top right and click on Speed. You'll see a slider that lets you adjust the speed. You can speed up the video by as much as 100 times, but for this example, let's go with 2x speed. Now when you play it back, you'll notice the selected section is sped up. And that's it for today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.